Hello and welcome. Today we'll be doing a listing, specifically a businesses for sale listing. Go to add listing, choose the category, choose the plan, and immediately we see that there are 6 sections that we have to complete. The first one being business snapshot. Red starred areas are compulsory. Those with no red stars are not compulsory. First compulsory section, business name, Pearly White's Dentistry, tagline or the slogan. We can say Pearly White, because we do it right. Business description. Of course, this is going to be a more in detail description of the business. Today I'm only going to do a 1 or 2 liner. Specialize in teeth whitening. Now we're moving over to business overview, which is just a bit more in detail as to what the business is all about. Of course, here we have location, address, and map. There are 3 different things. When it comes to location, it is compulsory. We have to choose 1 or more of the 9 provinces in South Africa. Today I'm going with Western Cape. Then when it comes to address, it can be in detail. It can be Johannesburg, Sandton, Marlborough Gardens, the city, residential area, and then the suburb, for example. For now I'm choosing Caledon Street, Cape Town. So whatever address I put in here, it will show on the map. If I can't find my address in the section over here, I can put anything in there basically. It will populate on here. If it does not, I can enter the coordinates, latitude, longitude, and then I hit generate on map. Thereafter, it will populate on the map. If it is so that I don't want my coordinates on the map, I'll say hide on map, but I highly suggest that you always leave the section blank, because you do want to find yourself on the map next to all of the other dentists in the area. Website, of course, it is not a red starred section, so I do not have to put in a website. However, if I do have a website as a dentist, I can put my website in there. Other social media platforms, I know many dentists find themselves on Instagram posting videos. That is how they market their business, so I'll put my Instagram link in here. Find Instagram, https, put in my link. For now I'm gonna leave that empty. Category are for under health and wellness. Now I'm coming to the legalities of my business. This is just so that the buyer of my business can understand what type of business or what they can expect when it comes to buying my business. Alright, so when it comes to buying my dentistry, my dentist is registered, yes. There are no shareholders. And how many shareholders are there? I don't have to fill this in because it is not red starred, but I already said here there's no shareholders, so I'm going to leave that area blank. Now this is my information. The top section we see here was the business information, business snapshot, business overview, legalities in connection to the business. Now this is just my information so that the buyer of my business can know who they're dealing with. So of course I'll first put in my number. Alright, and then I'll put in my name, Then, of course, when it comes to the founder, he is selling the business. So he's saying, why is it that I'm selling the business? So the reason why I'm selling my business is because of course, generally this might be a more in-depth area, but for me right now, I'm only gonna leave it like this. Now coming over to sale information. What do they need to know when it comes to buying my business in connection to money? Alright. So sale type, I can either pick fixed sale, meaning that I'm giving you a fixed price. It is non-negotiable, so don't even ask. Negotiable meaning that okay, I'm giving you a price. There is room for negotiation. And then auction would be I'm having an auction, I'm auctioning my business off, and the highest bid will be getting my business. For now, I'm going to be fixed pricing my business, and the asking price, I'll say it is 150,000. Now, of course, I can also add images. Okay, so I've got my logo over there, got a couple of pictures of the office, outside, inside, and this is just some of the things that I have left in the office that I'll be leaving around. Okay, then I'll add my business video, add my video in there. Now I can upload a file. Of course, this is going to be a PDF file. I can add my business stats, I can add the certifications and more. So for example, health inspection, it can be any type of certification. That could be perhaps a halal certificate, but of course I don't have that right now, seeing that I'm a dentist. But I can add my business stats, how many clients I'm getting in on a monthly basis, these are the type of individuals I'm dealing with. Fantastic. And then I'll just add my email in there, save and preview. Fantastic. So there we go. There's my business logo. Outside of my business, this is what my dentist looks like inside, and this is just so you can see that I'm a real dentist. Of course, now I can use this page, I can share with my Facebook, my Twitter, or my LinkedIn, of course my business LinkedIn. Perhaps I want to share with my clients, that's also okay. They can all come like my business. But it's not necessary right now, seeing that this business is going to be for sale, but it could help with the sale of your business. If I am someone visiting this page, I can report this page if it is inappropriate. Alright, I can also visit this page and I can recognize and realize I actually go to this dentist, and then I'll save this. Or perhaps I am someone, a prospect, I am interested in buying this business, I would save this business. Okay, there's my business name, business slogan. This is where my business is situated. All of the information that I put in, of course, will fall under this slot. So there we go, business snapshot, the sales terms, my asking price. This is who I am, Adam Adams. Please use this phone number wisely. Alright. And then this is just some legalities. Is it registered? Yes. Are the shareholders? No. You buy it from me and only me. And then here we go. This is my little gallery and my video which I posted of my business. Alright. Any type of media. The reviews will all fall in there. Not an issue. And there we go.